All right, so let's take a look at percent increase and decrease and finding the amount of this percentage. So first thing we want to do here is let's see what the difference is. So we've got find the percent increase, so we're looking for an increase. The original was 20, the new amount is 28. So let's find the difference. So the difference between 28 and 20 is 8. So we've got a difference of 8. So what we want to know is 8 is what percent of 20, the original, right? So 8 is what percent of 20. And so we can translate this to 8 equals x times 20, divide by 20. So x will equal 0.4. And so as a percentage, that would be 40%. All right, next one here, we've got percent decrease. So the original amount was 170. The new amount is 136. So again, here we can still look at the difference. Okay, and so the difference between 170 and 136, that's going to give me 34. And so we want percent decrease. So what we want to do is we want to take 34 is what percent of 170. So 34 equals x times 170. 34 divided by 170. X is going to equal to 0.2. So in percentage, that's going to be 20%. Right? So once we find the difference, we want to multiply by the original amount. All right, one share of stock was originally sold for 120 and now it sells for 108. So what is the percent decrease? So again, let's find the difference. 120 minus 108. All right, so we always want to start with finding that difference. That is 12. So 12 is what percent of the original? So then we can divide both by 120. So we get 0.1 equals x. So as a percent, that would be 10%. All right. Janie spent 200 in gasoline in January, 275 in July. What's the percent increase? So again, let's take the difference. We'll start with the larger one, 275 minus 200. That gives me 75. So we want to know 75 is what percent? So x times the original was what she spent in January, so times 200. So we'll divide both here by 200. So 75 divided by 200, that's 0.375 equals x. So as a percent, that's a 37.5%.